Have you ever met someone who was an authority about everything but knew absolutely nothing? Well, of course you have. We all have, right? But that's not really what we're talking about today. Today we are on part 2 of Google Eat, right? We talked the other day about being an expert and knowing your stuff and building really extremely high value content that's in relationship to your expertise. So today we want to build on that with part 2 of EAT, which is authority. You know, authoritativeness actually is a direct outflow of expertise, and here's the reason why. When other people recognize you as an expert, especially other experts, what is it that they want to do with your expert content? Content that is valuable to them, content they appreciate, and content that they can be useful to them. It's real simple. They're going to take that content and they're going to share it on their own. They're going to share it on their social media, and what we really want them to do is share it in their own content. So how do we build authority with people? How do we show people our expertise? Well, there's a couple of strategies and tactics to do that, but I always talk about find those who serve the same audience you do, but in a different way. And start including them in your content, linking to them, tagging them, letting them know, giving them extreme value. And in turn, when they see your expertise, they're going to turn around and do the same for you. It's called the law of reciprocity. Now, it's not always true, and it doesn't happen immediately. You have to build the relationship with people. It doesn't just happen. But the benefits to when it does are astronomical, because you build authority not just with these people that have the same audience that you do, but and they serve them in a different way, but they also have, we're hoping, because of the way we've targeted them, they have authority with Google. And so Google now sees you as an authority. They see links coming to your site from other authoritative sites. And we all know that one of the strong linking factors for Google is linking authority. So the more links you get from high linking authorities, the higher your rankings come up, because your expertise is shining in such a way that you are now an authority, not just to Google, but more importantly to all of those people who are looking for the solutions to their problems or their needs or their wants or their desires in the context of your expertise. Because why? You have proven yourself authoritative. Tomorrow, be looking for part 3 in this series of Google Eat. Find out what the T is and how that final piece is the component that you need to understand how SEO really works from a non-technical point of view, so that no matter who you're talking to about search engine optimization in your website, you'll understand if they don't know these 3 principles, then it doesn't matter what all the technical things are and how much money you're throwing at it, it will be not relevant at all. You want to be relevant. You want to eat.